you enjoyed the video you just watched. That was 2024 BMW M4 G82 at its peak performance. That engine is second to none. I tell you, I will always bring you videos like that because I love good cars. So we can talk luxury in the discussion section. So leave your comments, tell me what you think about the car. And I also want to thank PROPELLING for allowing me to use their content. Thank you for the good job. However, I look forward to your comments in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching again. I'll see you soon. Bye now.